think we're ready. Starting to bubble on the sides. So set aside some cheese. There might not be enough cheese. It said to take some out for topping. This should still be on the stove. Why did they tell me to take it off the stove? I put all the cheese in. That's 8 ounces of American cheese. Alright, new plan. I'm going to put this on the stove for a minute. It's a good thing I have some Monterey Jack. Because if you ask me, this just is not thick enough. We are breaking the recipe. So this is Monterey Jack. I like Monterey Jack. I'm going to add more cheese to this Carnation abomination. I want to make sure I have enough for toppings. It says to pour it over the macaroni. At this point, I don't know if I should follow their advice or not. That's very good. It tastes very good. I am so glad I had extra cheese. It's very cheesy. It's thick. It's creamy. Let's try some of this top. Let's try the top bit. Oh, the top bit is the best. I'm happy. Hey, I don't think this needs any salt. I mean, it could use pepper if you really like pepper, but I don't need to have pepper on this. Okay, one more bite, okay? And then I'm gonna eat and drink. It's Saturday. Hold on. Cheers. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. A 1951 recipe for mac and cheese. Mmm.